luxury resort run by the Sri Lanka Navy. And this is the luxury boat that takes us to that Soba Island. You can see this looks absolutely nice and sleek. Looks fast also. And meanwhile, there is the jetty where people can go for a cruise along the Trincomalee Harbour. You can see there's a craft that have come back from a cruise. Passengers are coming out of it, having finished their journey. And this is the Trincomalee Harbour. So we are going through this exotic and unique tour. You can see, and there are some nice sailboats, the yachts with Sri Lanka Navy colors. In the distance, you can see them now. And if I were to zoom in, there you go. These are the Sri Lankan Yacht Club of the Navy. And there are some also fishermen of this dock. There's a lot of background noise also from these people who are very excited about the boat ride, wanting to take pictures. So fishermen also allowed into this harbour area to do some of this. They are fishing. I think we are off to a good start of the Soba Island ferry trip. I'm sure we'll be enjoying that trip. Let me show this the passenger ferry that takes you on the Trincomalee Harbour tour. And moving to the right, I should be able to show you our own ferry. It's like a fast craft. You can see there are some of us waiting to get on board to this luxury craft in order to join this journey to the Soba Island. Alright, we'll meet you on the way. Alright, we just arrived here in Soba Island. You can see this is the way to the Soba Island. We just docked our super ferry here. You can see this is once again an island full of greenery, plenty of trees. So I'm sure there must be plenty of wildlife too. But on the other hand, as you can see, there is plenty of sun where I'm standing, but there is rain over there. And we actually managed to get a very close look of the Prima factory right here in Trinco. This is the jetty, and you can see part of our ferry that we arrived here. And I'm going to zoom in and show you the Prima factory better. This is the Prima factory, and you can see there is a ship docked next to it, probably bringing in supplies, so taking flour out. And then there is the ferry that we came in, this fast craft. You can see it's quite beautiful. You can see very sleek, and you can see this opaque emerald green sea. Reminds me of those crystal clear sea water in Maldives. You can see Sri Lanka is no different. It looks absolutely breathtaking. And there are a couple of cargo ships, I think carrying crude oil, and this is one of them. And then to the right, you can see all along the harbour now. To the right there is another oil carrying ship. Right, so we are just beginning our Soba Island tour. We are going to go in and see why this island resort is so exotic and so talked about. among the tourists. Mind you, this is a bit expensive, but I hope it will be fully worth the money spent here. See you soon inside the Soba Island.